Well, this is timely, isn't it? Daylight saving time, always a topic that has people taking different sides, with some thinking that we should just stick with it and never go back. But what would happen if we chose to do that? Meteorologist Christian Morgan has the answer in your Weather IQ.
Well, it's a debate as old as time. Should we change the clocks or not? It's just a fact of life for us now, and we won't solve that debate here, but why do we have it anyway? And what if we didn't change the time? Or if we could just compromise and meet in the middle? Let's raise your Weather IQ. Well, if you like the idea of springing forward, you can thank scientist George Vernon Hudson and British builder William Willett. They came up with the idea in the 1890s, but then it was a 2-hour shift forward in October and a 2-hour shift back in March. Like 1 hour wasn't enough. They even toyed with the idea of adjusting the clocks 20 minutes on each of the 4 Sundays in April, and then again in September, which would mean 8 time switches a year. Okay, so right now we have those 8 p.m. sunsets from April to August. Summer sunrises between 6 and 6:30, but those dreaded winter sunsets from 5 to 6 p.m. And we change the clocks twice a year. But what if we were to stay on daylight saving time year-round, where we are now? That means winter sunsets would actually be a little bit later, still 6 to 7 p.m. though, so no 5 p.m. sunsets, but the sun wouldn't rise until 8 to 8:30 each morning in the winter. So what if we meet in the middle and make a compromise and jump ahead just 30 minutes and left it there forever and ever and ever and all time? Well, we'll call it the halfway method. You'd still have 8 p.m. sunsets in June and July. The sun would rise super early by 5 to 5:30 in the summer. The winter sunrises would be a bit later between 7:30 and 8 a.m. The sunsets, though, would also stay a little later in the winter, all after 5:30. Oh yeah, and we wouldn't ever have to change the clocks ever again. Like I said, we're not going to solve the debate here or make any changes, but it's some good food for thought, and if you really want to change it, well, take it up with your congressmen and congresswomen. They can move the needle on it. With your Weather IQ, I'm meteorologist Christian Morgan.